Hello there, I'm at Hietaniemi Beach in central Helsinki. It is one of the most popular beaches in central Helsinki, but as you can tell behind me, it's still in winter, so there's no one here. Except the guy who's flying the drone, who just flew the drone. I'm going to fly my drone up here in a few minutes, show you Helsinki from the sky. So check out the beach, check out the area, and then we'll go fly our drone. So, pretty cool beach. Vacant. Very peaceful. Nice cool breeze, 54 degrees, great weather, one of the few days this week that there have been clear skies. And wow, wish you'd be here. Stay tuned for drone footage.
So I'm done for the day. Obviously, since I crashed my drone into a tree branch, and luckily it's only 20 feet off the ground, not above people, and it went to the ground. Only thing lucky that happened was the camera was ripped off, and other than that, everything else is intact. So it cost me, I don't know. But anyhow, my drone flying days are over here in Finland. So at least on the bright side, I captured some pretty great photos and images. Hope you will like them. What can I do? I'm beat myself up over it, but crap happens, and it happens to me, but oh well, what can I do? Just learn from a mistake and know better next time. Stay tuned for the footage. I hope you like it. It cost me a drone repair. Take care.